Creating a glow effect in Photoshop using the easiest method.
Okay.
Let's go.
In the first step, first select the color lookup filter and place the night from day mode on the layer. Adjust the opacity of the layer to the desired amount. In the second step, using the selection tool, select the parts we want to make shiny. In the third step, copy the selected part. Place the layer above the filter. Convert it to a smart object. Place the layer on linear light mode. From the filter menu, select Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set it to 5%. Repeat this process multiple times by copying the layer until we achieve the desired brightness. In the fourth step, we put the created layers in the folder and add the hue saturation filter. Assign it to the folder. Now, by changing the values of hue, saturation, and lightness, we can change the color and brightness of the layer. In the fifth step, we copy from the hue saturation layer and place the layer on screen mode. Click on the layer mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert the layer. With a white brush, with low flow and opacity, brush over the parts of the image where you want some glow. If you want to know how to professionally separate your subject from the background in 2 minutes, just watch the tutorial shown at the top of the page. In the final step, increase the opacity of the night from day filter to make the brightness stand out more. And that's the final result. But, if you want to use special effects to enhance the brightness of your image, you can download the effect from the link in the description and use it as instructed. And this is the final result of this tutorial. You can download this image from the link provided in the description. Support us by subscribing and liking. Also, leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.